I got chicken, rice, potato salad, and chicken wings. I have here rice. Potato salad. I had to make some extra potato salad. Potato salad or deviled eggs always my go-to. I love them baked cookout beans. Them baked cookout beans be good, and I love some rice, especially when it's buttered down. I love it. Love it. And then this is a new dirty Mountain Dew cream soda that I tried the first time. It's okay. I won't say I would buy it out of the store, but if you're thirsty, you're gonna drink it pretty much. So y'all can check it out, try it, tell me what y'all think. But for me, it's okay. That's all I'm saying. I just want to get out the store. That's all.